dear students, this is Chef Yasin from Institute of Hotel Management, Srinagar. Today I'll be demonstrating one of the very famous recipes from Kashmiri Pandit cuisine, and the name of the recipe is Mats Gand. Mats is a Kashmiri word which means minced meat, and Gand indicates the size of the kofta. That means a finger size kofta cooked in local spices, or it is given a barrel shape. So we'll be cooking Mats Gand. That literally means meat kofta which is of finger shape, finger size and barrel shape, cooked in local spices. Now with meat over here, I'll be adding some spices to it. I'll be starting with a pinch of salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, then a pinch of turmeric powder, fennel powder, ginger powder, and some oil. I'll be adding brown cardamom seeds also, so that it can have that a beautiful flavor of the brown cardamom. And all the spices. Now I'll be mixing this minced meat so that spices mix properly. You can see the beautiful color of the minced meat. The Kashmiri red chili powder has given it a good color. We'll be using all these powdered spices in preparation of the curry also for the koftas. The spice had mixed. Now I'll be giving it a shape of koftas. You can use your hand. Just wet your hand with oil or water. As you can see, we have given it a shape of a finger, and that's actually called gand. Gand is a Kashmiri word for finger, you can say, or it indicates the size of a finger. You can give it a finger shape or a barrel shape, and just nicely shape these koftas of the beautiful color, and spices are added. The raw oil is there, which will help us in cooking once we shallow fry them.
One, go.
As you can see, the beautiful Mats Gand are ready, or koftas are ready. Now we have to shallow fry them. For shallow frying, we heat the oil. As the oil is hot, we'll transfer these koftas into the hot oil. As you can see, the koftas are Mats Gand are attaining a good brown color. We do not have to make them very hard. We have to just shallow fry them so that the color changes from red to the brown. A little bit crust is formed, and after that we'll start preparation of the curry for these Mats Gand. Now the Mats Gand are fried to a perfect degree, and I'll be transferring them back to the plate so that we can prepare a gravy for them. You cannot just keep them in oil. They will soak a lot of oil, and people are very health conscious, or that might alter the color and the taste of the curry. So I'm just removing them from the oil. Now for the preparation of curry, we will be adding some oil. As you can see, the oil is hot. Now we'll be putting whole spices, and we'll start with a pinch of cumin seeds. As the seeds are crackling, now we'll add cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 green cardamom, brown cardamom 2 number, then clove 2 to 3 number, and we'll be adding a pinch of hing. That will give it a beautiful aroma. As a Pandit cuisine, a lot of hing is used. As the spices are crackling, and if you are a beginner, you can just remove the vessel from the gas, and we'll add red chili powder to it, and we have to make sure that it should not get burned. So for that, we'll add red chili powder and then work it together. You see a beautiful color of red chili, little more red chili powder. And once it starts boiling, we'll add the powdered spices one by one to it. Powdered spices we have already added into the minced meat, but same spices will be added into the curry also. So this is the fennel powder again. Then ginger powder. Ginger powder is tremendously used in Kashmiri Pandit cuisine, and a pinch of salt. And salt we will adjust at the end also. So we have to cook these spices. Beautiful thick curry and little water. As the spices are there mixed properly and the curry is boiling, we'll transfer the koftas into it. Once the koftas are transferred into the curry, try to use the spoon as little as possible, and once it's needed you can stir the vessel like this so that they get immersed into the curry and they absorb the spices, and the water or the thin that curry goes inside the koftas. That will make them tastier and very tender. As you can see, the curry has attained a beautiful color and masgand are perfectly cooked, and this is the time to transfer them into the serving bowl. So the way is, first take out the masgand or koftas. The beautiful red color is there, and it goes well with the plain rice, or you can even serve with the rotis also, but as a staple food of Kashmir is plain rice, so you can serve them with the rice. Fresh coriander leaves and a pinch of ginger powder. As I already mentioned, ginger powder is tremendously used in Kashmiri Pandit cuisine. So this is the easiest and the most beautiful and the important recipe of Kashmiri Pandit cuisine, masgand. Very easy to prepare, and in next session we will try to make some another beautiful dish from the cuisine.